Hey everybody, Amy Daigle here. I'm excited to work with you again on our second semester of internship. I will continue my internship as the assistant principal at East Alexander Middle School. Um, my coaching plan has changed significantly actually because I now have a new principal. So she's coming in and wants to establish herself as the instructional leader, which I value tremendously. I think that the staff will have a lot of respect for her for doing that. But it does change my role significantly because the last two principals I've had me doing instructional leadership. So my coaching plan is going to shift more to the managerial side, which I'm also excited about. And I'll have my first true round of testing and the planning for testing. Last year, our school counselor had been used to really organizing most of it. And while I was the testing manager, I didn't have to plan it all. And this semester, I will be the testing manager and I will have to plan it all, accommodations and all, because we have a new counselor too. So a lot of transition going on at East, but all for the best. I'm excited to learn from each of you as always, and good luck.